Hi, my name is Jennifer Ferguson and I'm the Chief Nursing Officer at Washington County Memorial Hospital. I'm happy to announce that effective June 15th, we've started allowing visitors at our facility again. Any admitted inpatient and a patient in the emergency department or any patient having a procedure will be allowed to have one visitor with them at a time. The visitor will be screened upon entry to the facility, they'll have their temperature checked, and they will be asked a series of questions. The visitor will need to supply their own mask or face covering to be worn during their entire visit. As always, we encourage patients and visitors to practice good hand hygiene. We have hand sanitizer dispensers mounted on the wall throughout the facility. I would like to thank our patients and their family members for understanding our need to change our visitor policy as the COVID-19 pandemic began to spread across the United States. It's been 3 months since we've allowed visitors here, and we understand that this is a hardship for both patients and their families. Thank you for being understanding and patient with us. We will continue to monitor the number of COVID-19 cases in our region and our community. If we see that a spike has happened, we may need to go back to a no visitor policy for a period of time. Please know that we do not take this decision lightly. We know the importance of having visitors for our patients. Patients that are admitted need that interaction with their family and their support people. Patients that are in the emergency department or that are having a procedure are going through a stressful time and they need that support as well. In these situations, we know it's hard for both the patient and the family. We want you here and we will continue to allow visitors following these restrictions as long as we feel it is safe to do so. So, as a recap, effective June 15th, we are allowing visitors to patients that are in our emergency department, patients that are having a procedure, or patients that are admitted to the hospital. There can only be one visitor at a time. The visitor will be screened by having their temperature checked and a series of health questions asked as they enter the building. The visitor must supply and wear their own mask or face covering during their entire visit, and the staff member here may remind you to put your mask on if you forget or if it slides down. As a reminder, the front door to the hospital is open Monday through Friday from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. After 5 and on the weekend, you must enter through the emergency department entrance. You will be screened at both entrances. Again, thank you for being patient and understanding during this difficult time, and welcome back to Washington County Memorial Hospital.